Okay, so this is the video for the 5 forms of communications, and in this video I'll be discussing and giving examples of the all 5 forms of communication. So the first one is called, or the first one we look at in the book is called intrapersonal communications. And what this is that it's the communications, discussions, and conversations you have with yourself. And it could also even mean just the reflective thinking or the roaming thoughts that occur in your head. This differs from other forms of communications in that it doesn't require a second individual to react, respond, and receive our communications or our thoughts. It can be triggered through internal stimuli, such as we get hungry and then we discuss with ourselves what we're going to go eat, or external stimuli where we witness an event in front of us and we form a reaction towards it. The second form of communication we look at is called interpersonal communications. And it's essentially just the one-on-one communications we have in our life. These form the relationships, maintains them, and also ends them. This is probably the most common form of communication that is used on our day-to-day life. Uh, it's usually goal-orientated, where you have a purpose for a certain relationship, and that purpose differs from one relationship to another. And yeah, the third form of communication we look at is called group communications, where you're just it's communication among 3 or more people, and you're basically working together to achieve a common goal. For example, this common goal could be uh, achieving a school project, and it takes organization and the dividing of roles between the 3 or more individuals in your group that you're communicating with. And it's also should be noted that interpersonal communications also get used in this, because you have to communicate one-on-one with your team member as well. Second, or sorry, the third form or fourth form of communication we look at in the book is called public communications. And what this is that it's you versus however many people that you're communicating your idea or argument or whatever towards. And at least in Western societies, it is focused more on you if you are the sender, if you are trying to communicate your thoughts towards a mass or towards the public. And the fifth form of communication is called mass communication, where it's more so like a commercial version of public communication, where your thoughts are being communicated through other mediums of communicating thoughts, such as radio, newspapers, or even just newer forms of media, such as uh, podcasts, social media, and that's about it.